Welcome to Formosa University. From the moment you set foot on our campus, you will feel the energy and the excitement that comes with being part of a community that values learning, discovery, and making a difference in the world.
Hello, my name is Yang from Taiwan. I am an undergraduate student at NFU, studying in Department of Applied Foreign Languages. As I am studying English and Japanese as foreign language, it is a great opportunity for me to interact with foreign students. I am happy to be able to interact with them.
Hi, I'm Jordan and I'm from Indonesia. Taking a master's degree in NFU specializing in aeronautical engineering. Since I love to do sports, NFU can provide complete and best facilities such as swimming pool, indoor gym, courts, and many more. With these supported facilities, I'm able to train and do my hobbies.
Hi, I am Malemnganba Moirangthem. I am from India. I am currently pursuing my MBA in Formosa University. Since videography is my passion, I got many opportunities to participate in events related to videography in NFU.
Hello, my name is Mint from Vietnam. I am studying MBA in NFU. I have been in Taiwan for a year and a half now. I received the wholehearted support of the university, teachers, and friends in any situation. I experienced new things in NFU like diverse cuisine, the hospitality of the people, the fresh air, and more, which make me feel very happy.
There's also a food culture exchange every week in the school. It's a very exciting activity because this is the time and place when students from various countries come to exchange their cultures and experiences.
Whether you are studying in the science, humanities, or arts, you will have the opportunity to learn from and with people from all over the world. Join us and discover what makes NFU a truly great university. Even though we are coming from different countries with different backgrounds, but we are the one, we are the students of Formosa University.